Welcome to MCM Total Garden Railroads. Take a little tour through the train room. These are some of our custom painted locomotives that we custom paint. The F3. We know they didn't have a B unit and an FB, so we give it its own number just to run it with the train. There's our Jeep 9, we custom painted that. Pair of F3s. They're USA trains, but they're actually F7s. These are factory paint. This is our Winchester and Western. Just after we built this, we went up the road and found out they chopped the nose on it and lowered it on the 709. This unit here come from Florida. I purchased that back when the towers fell, and the guy that I bought it from asked me to wait a week because I got it on eBay, because he had to go down and work as a rescue person down on the 9/11 site. This is our B&O Pacific. We custom painted it. This is my wife's Southern Crescent. This is my wife's chop nose Western Maryland Jeep 9. We custom painted it. We do a lot of these chop nose 9s for customers. There's our Shay. If it gets a little dark, I apologize. The camera's a little goofy. There's our Mike. Custom painted it. And these are our shelves where we store our trains. As you can see, I gotta build more shelves. The train room's actually getting bigger. This is actually a unit I just got done painting and decaling. Norfolk and Western. It's a Jeep 40. Got it lashed up with my SD45. This is the main rack. My wife's collections of cabooses or tank cars. That's her Dash 9. There's my Dash 9. As you can tell, I'm B&O man. And then there we got our collection of FAs and E8s, our passenger collection. Coming down a row, we come down to my side of the bar. The CSX is actually a slug I've kit finished. The B&O I've painted. The B&O GP38 I painted. The Jeep 9 chassis I painted. There's a Aristocraft Jeep 40 factory. These are all factory. There's some USA SD40s, Dash 2s. Now we move into my wife's side. Her collection of NS. Little Conrail unit. There's one of our custom painted Western Maryland. Supposed to be a Jeep 39. Locomotive they purchased through Delaware and Hudson. There's one of our FAs that we painted for her, the Turkish color, RS3. These are the racks that are way over full. It's kind of hard to stop collecting trains. Just because you run out of space don't mean you gotta quit collecting. This is one of the custom cabooses we built. There's a center cupola made from the rear cupola that is produced by Aristocraft. This is another car that we've made. It should be coming out in production here before long. It's 2-bay center flow. A lot of custom painted cars that we do. But these are the racks. We're supposed to take this wall right here and go further out to where that pipe is to give us more room for train cars, but before you know it, we'll have it filled up too. Here's another new car we just got done. Take 2 Aristocraft cars, cut them, put them back together to make the 3-bay. I seen another layout on YouTube that they had the 4-bay, and I'm quite interested in building that car as well. We love building cars and engines and painting them. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.